Good. 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 Good girl. Good girl.
Oh, is this mic live? I'm assuming it is. Let's go, Marco. Sorry, Jason. Let me throw it again. Marco's gonna win right now? I like the sound of that. Wait, aren't you Jason's friend though, PGH? Are you cheating on your bro? Oh, Jason's gonna win. Okay, that makes more sense. I mean, honestly, if I had to put money on it, I'd probably pick Jason. But if I'm putting my heart on it, I'm picking Marco, obviously. And let's be real, heart means more than money, at least in Melee. Let's go, Marco. What that is. What's his seed tonight? I don't know. You can exclamation point bracket though. I know that. Today's pretty stacked, so he's probably like 6 or 7 or something. Probably what I'm at too. Also, it's Marco's birthday, so I mean, we're rooting for Marco, whether you like it or not. A really nice backer, actually. Gotta clean the stock up there. Uh-oh. Oh, big Phantom Shine. That's actually so tragic. Marco not committing to the tech chase. That's okay. Okay, nah. Got that forward tilt, got nothing off it. That sucks. 8 seed versus 9 seed? Yeah. I would say these guys are pretty evenly matched. I mean, I'd still give the edge to Jason, but Marco is like, dude, Marco beat me like a month ago. This guy's crazy. He'll just make you like play so uncomfortably and so against your normal style that you just fuck up enough that you'll just get openings and win. Kadoran's there? Yeah, Kadoran's here. It's stacked. We got Kadoran, Sooth, Khalid, Steech. Those are probably your top 4. Some fucked up Kadoran for a bit. He didn't win though. Or maybe are you talking in the past? Or let's go Marco. Ooh. Oh my god, like what is this grab? What is this shield grab? No! Dude, I swear to god, Marco gets more grabs than any other Sheik. If he converted off of them, that shit, I mean, come on. Marco's getting like, you know, like 30% off each grab. He's fucking vibing. Guess he could only stream. The dog's playing with a spider. Wow, weird. That shine almost sealed the deal. Missed by an inch. See, in this situation, I definitely give the edge to Marco. Last stock like this. This man is a chiseled veteran. Oh, this is a weird edge guard. Come on, seal it out. Nice. Just roll up. Let's go, Marco. Game 3. He's vape. Dude, Jason legit just hits his vape inside and just ghosts it. Like, just step outside like the rest of us. Come on, Jason. I know he's watching this, so. In the future. Right. I gotta play. Good luck, Marco.